Every day, more and more people dowse, and more people are interested in dowsing. And I'm fascinated by it because dowsing is one of the most important disciplines for all of us. I often say that everyone should know at least 2 levels of Reiki and dowsing to be ready to approach any possible problem. I know that many people douse, as we said, but how many of us, even from time to time, think about dowsing from more universal point of view? I guess not too many, because majority of us use dowsing to find out the answer to your crucial at the moment question or solve the problem you have. And that's great, because that's what dowsing is about. But there is more. There is a deep and huge spiritual aspect of dowsing. Dowsing connects, dowsing unites people and our approach to life and to universal energy. And very often I hear from people, well, we have to be humble. And as humble as I am, in my opinion, with everything what I do, with my clients during the healing sessions and in my teachings, I always wondered about how to make it more popular, the spiritual aspect of dowsing, especially in times which we are approaching. We need to be united as much as humanly possible. And it doesn't matter to me if someone is red, yellow, blue or green, as long as they are humans. That's the one thing which connects us. Majority of us on this planet are humans. And what connects us is a human body and its vibration, and the soul we have. Dowsing unites all medicine, alternative medicine modalities, because dowsing is not about how will I put my hands, what are the hands position. I cannot do this because it's not my modality. We don't do things this way. Dowsing is about I, a pendulum, will release the energy. How can I serve you with this energy? Whatever you want to do, let me help you. Dowsing operates on pure energy, and it does not require from you hand positions or body positions. It can help you in healing. It can help you in solving problems. It can help you with emotional traumas and finding geopathic stress and making your life easier in the environment you live in. Because your pendulum just asks you, what can I help you with? How can I serve you? I offer you an energy. How would you like me to direct it? What do you want to, what we say today, manifest? Or how do you want me to organize this energy in order for you to be able to shift your life in higher, more proper and joyful direction? You see, sometimes people say, well, everything can douse and everything can be a pendulum. Everything else is a rip-off. And I can tell you that to the point, it is right. But let's use very simple example. If you want to deal with mathematics and I can tell you, take the simplest calculator and deal with it. Oh, don't even use the calculator. You can use your fingers. You can use abacus. Or you can use simple calculator from dollar store. What about tangents, cotangents, which means higher mathematics? Can you really do it with simple, let's say primitive calculator, which can only do 4 basic operations? I don't think so. You need a scientific calculator. That will make your life easy, even if you do very simple transactions or operations or very high level operations. The same is with pendulums. You can use a basic pendulum to help you with simple operations, but sometimes, really in my opinion quite often, you need something more advanced to release energy, to help you. You do Reiki, well, dowsing will help you balance the chakras. I remember a few years ago I was teaching on the conference about healing touch, and my presentation was about touchless healing touch. And attendees were amazed with the results because they would be able to withdraw the energies from past life and analyze them, just operating with pendulum over specific points, which are important in that technique. Again, we need unity. We need unity between us, people, but we also need unity among the techniques of alternative medicine. So there will be no competition. We will be in it together. And dowsing offers this, and pendulums are in your disposal whenever you are, whatever you are doing, because it just brings the energy, and you are the force which will use this energy, of course, for good reason, because the energy which is brought is what some people call positive energy, some people call healing energy. I would say pro-life energy, creating life, not destructing life. And this is what we need today. Something what unites us, what connects us, what brings us together and let us march in the same direction. Because freedom is not something what we can buy or someone else can give to us. Freedom is your doing. Dowsing is about talking with objects or humans or situations through the vibration of my body and this place. Among humans, dowsing is about talking soul to soul, connecting our souls and showing us this core essence of us, which can always find the common aspect in us. And let us work together, be together, and go together into higher and more wonderful, joyful life. Wishing you the best of luck in your life and with your dowsing. If you want to be a part of our community, please subscribe to our channel and join us on our Facebook. And for more information, visit our website.